Sunlight floods the cozy coffee shop as Anna sits quietly, lost in thought. Steam curls around her face as she drinks her coffee, the aroma of roasted beans filling the air. Lost in the pages of a well-worn book, she pauses, a thoughtful expression gracing her features. Anna stands by the window, gazing out at the city, a thoughtful expression gracing her face. The apartment is a haven of literature and art, each piece reflecting Anna's creative spirit. Anna strides through the vibrant city, her relaxed pace mirroring her anticipation. She pauses, her smile deepening as she is drawn to the energy of a street performer. The sounds of the city swirl around her, amplifying the excitement of her expectations. In Anna's garden, soft sunlight weaves through the blossoming trees, painting delicate shadows on her tranquil face. She closes her eyes, a serene smile touching her lips as she breathes in the stillness. Anna stands by the window, watching the first light of dawn. The kitchen fills with a comforting aroma as Anna pours herself a cup of tea. Bathed in the warm light, Anna's eyes reflect a quiet joy. Anna sits on her couch, a haven of soft pillows and towering books. Lost in the world of words, Anna picks up a book. With a sigh of contentment, Anna opens the book and immerses herself in its pages. Anna walks toward a coffee shop, bathed in the warm embrace of sunlight. Sunlight pours through the windows, promising a cozy escape. Gentle chatter and the rich aroma of coffee create an irresistible invitation. Anna stands in line, taking in the coffee shop's warm and inviting atmosphere. Soft lighting and comfortable seating fill the space, creating a cozy ambiance. Anna approaches the barista, a warm smile lighting up her face as she prepares to order. Anna approaches Maria, a waitress. "Excuse me, could I get a table for one, please?" Maria turns to Anna, replying, "Of course, right this way." Anna follows Maria. "Thank you so much." Maria smiles. "It's my pleasure. Welcome. I hope you enjoy your time here." Sunlight bathes the quiet cafe, illuminating a solitary woman lost in thought. She sits calmly, eyes drifting gently into the soft light of the day. The cafe hums with quiet conversation, a gentle backdrop to her private moment. In a cozy cafe, a woman savors each bite of her meal, her eyes briefly closing in delight. Her plate reveals a colorful array of vegetables and a perfectly poached egg. In the cozy cafe, the woman opens a book, her expression softening as she immerses herself in the story. Her brow furrows slightly, a silent testament to the captivating tale unfolding before her. Her fingers trace the lines of text as she slowly turns the pages, as if feeling the words. The camera reveals the title of the book, The Secret Garden. The woman's gaze remains fixed on the book as she sips her tea, lost in the narrative. The gentle jazz music enhances the peaceful atmosphere in the cafe. The woman smiles faintly as she reads, a tear glistening in her eye. Her face reflects the depth of her emotions as she continues to read. A single tear glistens, betraying the moving passage she's absorbed in. She pauses, letting the weight of the words sink in. The cafe fades as she immerses herself in the story. Lost in thought, she gently closes the book. The tear traces a path down her cheek, a testament to the story's impact. She wipes the tear, a small, contented smile gracing her lips. The book rests on the table, a silent witness to her emotional journey. She gazes out the window, her mind still lingering in the story's world. The world outside blurs as she reflects on the passage. A deep breath signals her return to the present. She opens her eyes, the cafe coming back into sharp focus. The cafe buzzes with life, a stark contrast to her inner world. She picks up her coffee, a comforting warmth in her hands. The aroma of coffee fills her senses, grounding her in the moment. She takes a sip, savoring the rich, warm flavor. The coffee warms her from the inside out, chasing away the lingering emotions. She sets down the cup, feeling refreshed and renewed. The cafe's gentle hum fades into the background as she gathers her thoughts. She opens the book again, a new perspective coloring her view. The words resonate deeper, infused with her recent emotional experience. She turns the page, eager to continue the story. The cafe fades away once more as she loses herself in the narrative. The world shrinks to the words on the page, and she is gone again. The book is a portal, transporting her to another realm. She is no longer in the cafe, but in the heart of the story. The characters become real, their emotions palpable. She laughs, she cries, she feels with them. The story is alive, breathing within her. She is a part of the story, and the story is a part of her. The cafe disappears completely, replaced by the world of the book. She is lost in the pages, never to return. The book is her escape, her sanctuary. She will stay here forever, in this world of words. The cafe fades into a distant memory, a forgotten reality. She is reborn in the story, a new character in a new world. The book closes around her, enveloping her in its embrace. She is home at last. The cafe is empty, save for a woman and her book. She is content, she is at peace, she is home. The story is her life, and she is the story. The cafe is just a backdrop, a stage for her inner drama. She is the star, the protagonist, the heart of the story. The book is her script, her guide, her destiny. She will follow it to the end, wherever it may lead. The world outside is irrelevant, a mere distraction. She is complete, she is whole, she is free. The book is her key, unlocking the secrets of her heart. She is the author of her own life, and the book is her story. The cafe is just a memory, a fleeting moment in time. She is forever changed, forever transformed, forever free. The book is her legacy, her testament, her eternal flame. The woman closes her book and sighs contentedly, a moment of quiet satisfaction. She looks around the cafe, her gaze lingering on the warm, inviting atmosphere. A sense of peace washes over her as she absorbs the cozy ambiance. Refreshed and at peace, she savors the moment, a smile playing on her lips. I gather my belongings, preparing to leave the cozy refuge. I stand, savoring the last moments of peace. I smile softly, embracing the quiet moment before stepping back into the city. I walk out, ready to face the vibrant energy of the bustling city streets. Anna sits alone, lost in thought as she sips her coffee, unaware of the approaching presence. Lucas approaches, his footsteps unheard, as he closes in on Anna. A flicker of surprise crosses Anna's face, her curiosity piqued by the unexpected arrival. The coffee shop buzzes with the rich aroma of roasted coffee as Lucas leans in, beginning a conversation. Anna listens, her expression softening as she engages with Lucas. Anna leans forward, her eyes reflecting genuine interest as she listens intently to Lucas.